This spacious, new-age pet ECOFLEX reptile habitat gives snakes, tortoises, and lizards plenty of horizontal room to move while still fitting comfortably on standard stands or cabinets. The EcoFlex composite panels resist swelling, warping, and odor absorption, so spot cleaning and deep cleaning stay quick and low stress for both you and your animals. Large front glass panels and smooth sliding doors provide an open, panoramic view of your reptile and make daily feeding and handling feel safe and convenient. Vented side panels, combined with a sturdy mesh top, support strong airflow and make it easy to mount heat lamps and ultraviolet fixtures for stable temperatures and lighting. The modular design snaps together without tools, so even first-time keepers can assemble the enclosure in minutes and reposition it later without hassle. A long manufacturer warranty and use of durable, eco-conscious materials make this habitat feel like a long-term, reliable base for a thoughtfully designed reptile setup.